You gonna take Nicoya for a walk now? Can you say, let's go? Let's go, Nicoya. Nicoya, easy. Good job, you guys. Good job, Griffin. Good job. Good girl, Nicoya. Good job. Going for a walk. Say, come on, Nicoya, let's go. Good job. Oh, she's going potty. Whoa. Whoa, up. Nicoya, up. Stay. You okay, buddy? Okay. Okay, she's waiting for you. Nicoya. Good girl, okay. Here we go. Okay, we have to go stop at the street.